This is the PetKit Purobot Max Pro 2, and in this video I am only talking about the safety of this box as I was asked to do a safety video. Now, full disclosure, I was gifted this box. It is also my favorite box on the market, so this is the one that I've been using for the last 6+ months, however long it's been since I got this box. Now let's get into it. Now, to start off with, I am surprised I was asked to make a safety video about this box because I do talk to its safety in every video I've made about it, and it's one of the safest boxes on the market. The reason being is that it has a 0-pinch drum. This is my favorite drum style. It never ever closes. It just slowly twists back and then twists forward. I will show you that shortly. And then it just has a chute that is not accessible for cats. It's only for the litter to hit the chute, and then it comes out an opening on the side and drops into a waste bin. Cats cannot get to this opening. They cannot get to this chute, assuming that you are not using this with cats below the minimums. This box does have minimums for age and weight, and you definitely want to keep that in mind. Luckily, this box also has kitten mode, so it will stay a manual box until your cats are of the right age and weight to properly use the box. So that's the key safety feature. 0 pinch points. And then to further seal the deal, this box actually physically limits itself from ever over rotating. As you can see with this gear, there's this entire section where it cannot spin. It will get stuck on either side, meaning that it physically cannot overspin. The door can never close. And on top of that, which really should be enough, this has a bunch of redundant safety features. It will stop if it recognizes a cat coming up to the front infrared sensor. It will stop anytime it recognizes additional weight. It also has a built-in camera, and it can alert you when the cat is in the box, depending on how you set up notifications. So let me show you exactly how this works. Now, first off, I want to point out the camera. It gives you live video constantly, which you can see in the app. It also will give you recordings, and it will notify you as you want. So if your cat's coming in here a lot, it will notify you. If your cat's overusing it, you will get extra alerts, again, if you set that up. And then it has the fully inaccessible chute. Even when it spins, this is not something a cat can really access. It is actually a lot more narrow, little skinny chute than you can see there. It's really just designed for the litter to fall into. So let's run it. Start it up manually on the front. You can set child lock so it can't spin at all. And now it's spinning. The first thing it does is start recording, and it has already stopped because it sensed me with the front sensor. And you can also see that in the app. It says cat is approaching. It's going to go again. I'm going to put my hand in front of that sensor one more time just so you can see how sensitive it is. It shows it in the app, and it also actually will say on this front little portion right here, cat approaching. Now the next part is weight. I'm going to put weight way up here, but if there is weight anywhere on the box, it will stop. Just like if I put any weight on the drum, it's also going to stop very quickly. So there's really no concern at all. If a cat were to jump in this box, it would stop and wait for them to jump out before starting back up again. But if none of those features existed at all, that chute is tiny. There's no way for a cat to get to the chute, and it's just going to slowly spin. And I really do mean slowly spin. And then right here, if there was any dirty litter, it would go down into that very narrow chute. And then as it tips up, it's going to go back through the hole. Now this is as far as it will ever close. It's impossible for it to close more. So between the motion detector, the weight sensors, the physical inability for it to overturn, and the 0-pinch drum, this box is exceptional. I hope this video helps you see just how safe the Purobot Max Pro 2 really is. I hope this helps.